Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to join our GitHub Classroom and then how we will be using GitHub and Glitch together for you to work on and complete assignments. So you'll see I have two tabs open. I have my GitHub account open and I have Glitch open where I haven't signed in yet. I'm first going to join our GitHub Classroom, and you join the GitHub Classroom by using the initial assignment link, or whatever link you have for an assignment is going to link you to our classroom if you're not yet. So here is an assignment link. I'm going to press enter. So this is, I am joining the LaGuardia Web Dev Classroom, and you are going to select your name from a list of names. I have imported all of your names, so scroll up and down until you find your name and then select. You'll only need to do this once. And now anytime you click on an assignment link that I share with you, it'll take you to this screen where it asks you to accept the assignment. So you're going to go ahead and accept this assignment. And what this is a template of some starter code that you're going to work toward completing. You will then see this where you click on your link. And now this is your assignment as it appears in GitHub. Okay, so we see this README file with our directions, and you see there's a second file, an index.html file. So now, to complete the assignment, we're actually going to do the work in Glitch. In Glitch, we're going to sign into Glitch via our GitHub account so that they are automatically linked. And that's going to speed up some parts of this process. And what I'm going to do here is, under New Project, you can import from GitHub. That means copy over this code into Glitch. When I import from GitHub, it's going to ask me for the full URL of your repository. So I'm going to go to GitHub. One way to get this URL of this repository, what this is it's called a repository, is you can click on this green code button and copy this link. Now when I go back to Glitch, I'm going to click import from GitHub, paste the link that I just copied to my clipboard, and Glitch is now going to import this assignment. And it's going to keep it with this connection so it knows where it's originally from. And what we're going to do is we're going to be making updates in the Glitch assignment that we can see in real time, and then we're going to export it back to GitHub where the assignments all live, but this is where we work on them. So you can see, if you remember over here, there was this README file that said, let's practice importing and exporting this GitHub assignment into Glitch, with directions to replace the text in the index.html file to reflect your current schedule. And you see there is this README file, in fact it opens on it, with that text. So you don't have to read it over here. It exists in both places. And it said to replace the text in the index.html file. You're going to be getting really familiar with this syntax with the file index.html throughout this course. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and make a few updates to this code. So my first period is actually none. I don't have a first period. And then my second period is the amazing web dev. And maybe you see that it's updating over here in real time, right? This is a preview of what the website looks like, so it's a nice visual of what's going on. My third period is web dev, and my fourth period is a break. So this is the first 4 periods of my day. Now changing it in Glitch does not change it over here in GitHub yet. If I click on this index.html, we see that's still the original code. So let me click on code, which brings me to kind of this main screen that I'll call it. And what I need to do is I need to push this or export these updates back into GitHub. And the way I do this is I go down to Tools, and I'm going to click on the Import Export. And I have to, if I haven't done this before, grant access for Glitch to push information into GitHub. So I'm going to go ahead and grant this access. And now if I do tools, I can import, which is what I did originally to bring it into Glitch, and now I'm going to export and push it back to GitHub. So export, and to export, it says I need to have the, we need our username and our repo or our repository. And you get this from these two pieces of information. This is the user and this is the repo. You'll notice it's actually the name of the assignment dash your name in our classroom. So I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go to export to GitHub. There we go. Click OK. I'm going to just use the default message. Click OK. And you can see that it's exporting. It is sending these changes back to GitHub. And it said export successful. So now if I go here, it shows that there are recent pushes 3 seconds ago. And let's see, I'm still learning a little about this. When I refresh, you'll see there is the main, which was the original assignment, the default, and then there's the glitch version, the updated version, where in this index HTML page, it now has the updates of my schedule. So that is what we are going to practice doing, and you're going to get very good at accepting assignments, getting them into Glitch, making the updates so that you can see them, and then exporting back to GitHub.